Morning coffee. Tuesday, October 1, 2024. I'm on leave from work today. No meetings, no emails, no boss. Teka, ako yung manager ah. But I still have a boss. I'm a technical architect manager. In my job, I deal a lot of issues that requires problem-solving skills at analytical thinking. And on that, I use my left side of my brain. Left side of the brain controls speech, language, comprehension, analysis, and calculation. It's also the center of problem solving. Ibig sabihin lang noon, lahat ng desisyon o aktibidad na kailangan ng logical na explanation, gamit mo yung kaliwang brain mo. We all know what will happen pag masyado kang overworked. Stress, pagod mentally and physically, and sometimes burnout. Yung feeling na sabaw ka na, pero maraming ways to conquer that. Pagkain ng masustansyang pagkain. Veggie din yan. Gusto mo, upo ka lang sa isang tabi, magpahinga ka, magbasa ka ng libro. Pwede rin kayong lumabas at kumain.
Isa pa sa binili natin is yung almond croissant. Croissant. Ito siya.
Or tulad ng exercise. 99, 100, 101. Now, I'm using all of that. And what also works for me is using my right brain. Right side of the brain controls creativity, perception, spatial understanding, and recognizing faces, places, and objects. At lahat naman na kailangan ng creative thinking, yung sabi nga nila, is gamit mo naman yung right side ng brain mo. Now, I'm not really that talented or creative. I dance sometimes, kahit ayaw ng sayaw sa akin. In fact, I participated in 3 dance concerts while nandito ako sa Australia. Hence, I'm doing vlogging. Parang shopping district nila to. Itong 3, 2, 1.
Kunwari red, health and peace yun. Tapos yung yellow, money and wealth. So,
9 p.m. Just 7:20. Kaya I'm doing this. Helps me personally dahil mabilis ako makalimot telling story for myself, helping you as well, and also to release that creative juice from the right brain. Every time I hit that upload button, that means it's done. One memory done. It's like yung story ng Inside Out.
I don't want to get too technical, but these are called core memories.
Putting those memories into a capsule, storing it somewhere in the brain, and for me, I store it sa YouTube para hindi ko makalimutan talaga. At makikita nyo pa, di ba? I realized that exactly 24 months ago from this day, nung nag-60th birthday si Papa. Tagalog mo. Tagalog viewers natin eh.
Tagalog ba?
Unfortunately, hindi kami nakauwi noon kasi we are processing yung citizenship namin dito sa Australia during that time. And of course, yung mga kapatid ko sinabi, gawa ka na lang ng video, kuya. And then na-realize ko, pwede ako maging vlogger.
Are you sure?
So I decided to record our lives here dito sa Australia. And ang gamit ko pa nga noon is yung iPhone 10 ko. Wala na yung iPhone 10 ko, binenta ko na sa eBay Marketplace for $200. And then I upgraded to iPhone 14 para mas maganda yung camera. And then nung nasa band concert kami dun sa school ni Hannah, I decided to buy a proper camera. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman talaga kailangan ng magandang camera sa pagbablog. Kung anong meron ka, gamitin mo. Kaso may nakita akong nagbablog gamit Nikon Z30. Nagandaan ako. So ayun nga, napabili ako. Ayan yun. Tapos, nung birthday ni Hannah, may plan kami mag-snorkeling. Hindi naman pwede yung camera na yan. Hindi din pwede itong camera na to. So, napabili ako ng GoPro 11. So whether I'm documenting our lives here dito sa Australia using that run and gun approach for the memories,
Babayu. Babayu. Babayu.
what's up? Or I'm providing you guys information about how we live here dito sa Australia, and also editing in the middle of the night just to release that creative juice and makatulong sa stress and actually help me relax. That's the reason why I vlog. Okay, actually wala naman talaga nagtatanong eh. Hobby ko lang talaga.